Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by to look at our little 362 we've got for sale today. This is a 2017 model. It's got 1,068 hours on it. It's a trade-in machine from a local tree guy. It's been through the shop. It's ready to go. It's got brand new yellow jacket teeth on it. It's going to crank it up and let you see that all the functions work. That's a low-speed ground drive. That's a high-speed ground drive. Okay, cutter wheel. That's about all there is to it, but you can see it cranks. The engine runs good. All the functions work. It does have new teeth. Ready to go to work and grind some stumps.